steel industry as a whole. There are, many are steel manufactured in our country. Yes, Tata Steel, I feel they are number one, followed by many other, big brands like ECA Steel, General Steels, and many other steels companies are there. But by and large, all steel manufacturing focus on a big volume, large scale things are there. So, of course, quality has improved a lot than earlier. Though, focus on the small and micro industries has to be a little bit more, because micro industries and small industries or medium scale industries, which like us, have a number of varieties of products based on steels. So each of those products have different categories of quality required. So there are ups and downs in this, where the positive things is of steel industries is majorly we get a good quality by and large, but it's a conventional products which we get. But on the other hand, when a specific quality of steel is required, we do face a lot of problems. There are various gauges. Like, we are not a company which is manufacturing a particular product in a huge volume. Like, huge volume is of course there, but not focused on a particular product. So as I said, we are manufacturing products for lighting industries such as Philips India, our major customers in lighting. Major, not exclusive. Philips India is our only exclusive company, and we are again in auto segments also. Like Vapco TVS, earlier it was TVS, now it is Vapco. They are a very big European giants who have come into India and emerged as a large scale. Now we are catering from here to all parts of India. Like in southern, we are feeding from all along from Chennai to Gujarat to Lucknow to Jamshedpur. So number of products are there. So lighting, we need a different type of steel, whereas if we go to auto segment, we have some other. In main problem we face here as far as quality is concerned is the varieties available instant. Means if a product is made and it needs exclusive type of a deep draw quality, and the same time if we go to our suppliers like Tata Steel or any other steel vendors, we don't get. That's the major issue. Now we are in need of a deep draw quality, extra deep draw quality, where if now we are going to have around some 5-6 tons of material for a sample lead only. Later on it will be converted maybe in a higher volume. But how to face this? How to come to a conclusion? This particular steel is okay or okay not? That is we are hazy enough. We are not confident. And if you buy them, they depend on us, and then they make it. And if it is all okay, then it's fine. But if it is not okay, then again there is a problem which will be raising. So these kind of flexibility, what I mean is the flexibility which is at present is there, is of course there, but it's not to the extent we really want. See, first of all, I tell you, though we are a medium scale as of now, okay, we are not no more a small scale. We were some a decade back we are a micro level, and we have come through a small, and then now we are in the next stage of a medium level. Like, no, I never felt that being a medium scale or a small scale or even micro, satisfaction level is a bit lower, or because first of all we are feeding the ECAs, the customer of ours. They all are MNC companies, all are European companies. So, and they depend on us. So that's where you get the satisfactory level at the highest. Now we are manufacturing 100 odd products for Luminaire company, and some 8 focused, technically highly component for this auto companies. That again is an European company, Vapco. So you should be satisfied with the job what you are doing. Of course, we are we are trying to come up and up and up. So it's a continuous stride. So I don't believe in that part, that being in such a stage, we are a bit morally low or demoralized. I don't feel so. Generally, those people's, they directly with the consumers, or not catch up with the MNC companies, or a bigger concern, may feel that. But I have not come to people or companies who have really shared something like that. I don't agree to that even. So, to my opinion, I think should be happy and then just come up more and more. That's all. Is my that's what I can say in that. See, simple words I can say: you should adopt your customer's voice. The needs of the day is their customers' requirement, and our customers has feed us with all those criterias as on date, which is needed universally. In all areas, you update your productivity part, the line technical part, and even the quality parts and things like that. So earlier, once we were adopting a particular system of work, is no more, it is being upgraded and things like that. We will have to adopt all those things. So those are areas, we are following what they are following. We are following, our customers are following. And our customers are all our MNCs. So this is it. I mean, we are with the trend. And that is what the lesson we have learned. Certification in the sense ISO things. Yes, that is of course there. Is international requirement is that. There are many certifications we have done on insistence on our own also. We are an ISO certified company. We are into TS. We have 14,000 certifications, and we are going for thinking of more certification also in recent times. So it's important to catch up with our requirements. This is all universal requirement. The MNC company nowadays does not even paper when they does not have a certified. So it's a basic requirement. What I say, what we see is the basic requirements. So we will have to be with all needed certifications. And definitely, it's a system. It's a system. It's a driver which drives you in a correct way. So even whatever customer we have, irrespective of that, we definitely will urge on the certifications and their advantages. So that is by default certification which drive you in a better way. See, now you are absolutely correct. Things are changing, and the technologies are also changing. You need production faster. You need quality products. So definitely, we were, once upon a time, we were only conventional tool makings and things like that, conventional method of toolings. Now there are new machines and updated things are coming, like laser technology is coming. It needs to be adopted, maybe in whatever categories of industry you are in, but it's the need of the day. So definitely is because the quick transformation of products not only depends upon the tool, it depends upon the machinery which you deals with. So now the customers earlier they used to give some lead time. Now a product is shown to us, they say yes. See, we have a lead time of 3 months, 2 months, or whatever it is. But the day now is something different. Now they need they just show a product or a concept, and the next day they need the product to be done. So the technology transformation is definitely there. So updation of these machines and technology is at most important nowadays. See, as of now, we are a company based on domestic market only, though they are MNC companies. Now, this is something to do with company, not in the by and large. Our orders total 90% is of our, but though these are all exported, our products are exported. We are not doing it directly. Through our companies only. We are not actually, our products are to be, concentrated on few customers only. So we does not have a liberty to give the products to external. So in that point, I don't have a correct figure, I cannot say, because these all globality made products. They export us, but we does not know where our products. I've been abroad, I saw my product being installed there. Particularly in China, I saw my product, where we bring it here. And my code number is stamped on it. I am the happiest man. The people bring products here, buy my products, but in the brand name of MNC company. So that's it. See, policies, there have been a number of policies again, but one particular policy, this taxation policy should be easy, quite liberal and easy to be followed. Like there was a GST which was proposed. Till date we have not practically seen it. Many of, tenure has changed, a number of government has come, but hardly it is implemented. So the GST is definitely a policy which has to be very thought of, and then has to be implemented. So that is a case where, and then in local also there are number of tax devices which has been imposed recently. Those again put a additional cost, additional work. Those has to be simplified. And if those things happens, I think staging here in this state will emerge in a better way.